To the dismay of many Android users, Procreate developers have yet to announce an Android version of their app. This does not mean that the users of these devices cannot use their smartphones and tablets to draw. On the contrary, there are many apps that rival Procreate. In this video, we have compiled a list of the best drawing apps you can get your hands on in your Android device. With that being said, and without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Create unique characters and their world through ideation and practical exercises that can be applied to various media. This Domestika course is presented by Nathan Jurevicius, an illustrator, filmmaker, toy designer, author, and concept artist. Follow along as he shares his personal approach to creating unique and meaningful characters and how to envision and create the worlds they inhabit. Nathan worked with huge brands and companies from all over the world, such as IKEA, Kid Robot, and Hasbro. Throughout the course, you'll learn how to gather your reference and how to form your thought maps. You'll also learn how to formulate characters and their worlds to help you generate your own engaging universe. And as you venture deeper in this course, you'll learn the steps of what makes a good character and how to imagine the world they inhabit through different techniques and mediums. At the end, after finishing your project, you'll see how you can assess your work and determine what could be improved. Nathan will also explain how you can stay motivated in your personal and professional life. If you're interested in this course, you'll find all the necessary links in the description box below. Medibank Paint is a raster graphics editor created by Medibank Inc. The app is available on PC both in Windows and Mac OS and on both Android and iOS devices. Medibank Paint is perfect for both illustration, painting, and comic creation. This great all-in-one app is for free. You will get the ad here and there, but it's worth it for an app with this much diversity in features and tools. Speaking of which, the app comes with a variety of brushes that focus on both your painting and comic creation needs. The app also comes with screen tones and pre-made backgrounds. Although the app is completely free, it does come with a premium version, which gives you more brushes and other tools to work with, removes the ads, and provides you with additional cloud storage capacity, among many other things. Developed by Celsius, Clip Studio is another raster graphics editor available on Android on top of being available on PC, iPhone, and iPad. Clip Studio Paint is a lot like Medibank Paint in the way that it's made for both illustrators and comic artists and even animators, with the variety and diversity of its tools and features. The app is not for free, but you don't have to deal with ads at all, so kind of a wash. The app's features include a variety of brushes and pens to choose from, the ability to use 3D models to help you nail a complicated pose, automatic AI colorization of your drawing to save up time and energy, PSD and SVG files import and export for later modification on different software, pen stabilizer to make your lines smooth and avoid shakiness, the ability to customize brushes to fit your specific needs, and on top of it all, a cross-platform ability to help you easily switch from mobile to tablet and even to PC, with a unified user interface to avoid any learning curve or confusion. Ibis Paint X is a drawing app developed by Ibis Inc. This raster graphics editor is both available on Android and iOS devices and contains a variety of features and tools. Ibis Paint X has everything you need, from a variety of brushes such as dip pens, felt tip pens, flat brushes, oil brushes, charcoal brushes, crayons, and stamps. The app also allows you to customize brushes to your liking. It also has materials, fonts, filters, screen tones, blend-in modes, and stroke stabilization. The app also has a variety of ruler types, such as radial and symmetry rulers. On top of that, the app is equipped with clip and mask features. Unlike Procreate, Ibis Paint X does not limit your layers. Speaking of layers, the app has a variety of layer options, such as layer opacity and blend-in modes, such as alpha blend, add, subtract, and multiply. What is great about IBIS Paint X is the fact that there is no feature or tool that is behind a paywall. The only thing a premium version does is completely rid you of any ads on the app, but other than that, everything stays the same. This would be a great way to dip your toes in the software and learn about it, and if you see what you like, you can pay to remove the ads. IBIS Paint X is somewhere in the middle between Clip Studio Paint and Medibank Paint. So there's an app for everyone and their preferences. Autodesk developed a drawing app for Android devices, and that would be Sketchbook. The app leans into minimalistic design in its interface. You have the brushes and pen tools on the left side, which are many and with great versatility. You have pencil, markers, airbrush, smear tool, and many others. These brushes are also customizable, so if you feel like the defaults don't cut it for you, you can always play with the brush settings and get what you need exactly. The app is also equipped with rulers as well as layers with the blend-in modes features available. Sketchbook by Autodesk lives up to its name perfectly. With its clean and simplistic interface, the software is geared towards people who want to only sketch. The software is unlike the aforementioned apps where the focus is on many different areas of creativity, like animation and comic creation, and have all the tools for that, but for those who want a natural sketching experience. Concepts is a lot like Autodesk Sketchbook in the simplicity of its interface. The app is everything its name suggests. It has a focus on sketching and taking notes for concept brainstorming. The app is arguably the most aesthetically pleasing drawing app and is clearly meant for light artwork. This app has an infinite canvas, which reinforces the sketching and brainstorming focus of the app. Speaking of which, the app provides you with multiple paper types and grids. Think